Function related you are having function related you are having doubt. Function
Yeah,
uh
or
like
constant.
const as
Const.
well. Okay, no
Yeah.
worries. Const any which ways we are going to see.
Okay.
And function and the block logic we are going to see again. Don't worry on that part.
Sure. Thanks, Vikas.
Anybody else facing any challenge, any issues?
Uh, Hi
Uh,
Vikas.
yeah,
Uh,
sure.
the the keywords in the JavaScript are all case sensitive.
The keyword in JavaScript are all case sensitive. The answer is yes.
Okay.
We are not supposed to write them in caps. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Vikas. Thanks.
So yesterday I think we stopped. I mean, we stopped as in we are stuck at this point. Okay. After that, I was kind of creating one more actually file where we can have some more examples on let and where. Okay. Prior to that, guys, I just want to kind of give you some background on Git so that everybody are on same page. So, everybody remember that I was using something called as, I mean, yesterday while we were closing our session, okay, at the end, you guys have noticed that I was installing something called as Git. Okay. Everybody remember that, right? Okay. So the Git installation was done successfully. Okay. Now, other than that, what I need to do is I need to have a quick background, like quick recap on this topic. Sorry, just a second. I want to have a quick background on this topic. So you can see that you have not finished authorizing this extension to use GitHub. So what I can do is I am just allowing yes. Okay. So what it is doing, guys, it is making sure that the Git is kind of configured correctly. Okay. So I have created an account. Okay. Obviously, you guys need to remember your username and password. If you don't have the username and password, you might not be able to do this activity. Okay. So everyone, those who have created their account, I would request them to perform the same operations, which I am doing right now. Okay. Just a second. This is my username, guys. Okay. You can choose your username. Okay. I'll explain you that. Don't worry. And not sure what happened. I'm not able to reselect the password. Mm. So this is a issue, guys. When you forget your password, right? And so I am doing a reset process, guys. Okay. Let me see if I got the link. This is the link to reset my password. I am resetting it, guys. This is little bit. Why it is showing. Okay. Uh, okay. I'm saving it. Now let's go to VS Code. Now go to the icon over here. Okay. And you guys can see that when I click on initialize repository, it will obviously, 1 second, 1 second. Don't do that, guys. Just a second. So this is the screen you should see, everyone. Okay. It is saying that VS Code is authorizing GitHub. Okay. So this is the icon of VS Code. This is the icon of GitHub where you are saying that, hey, you will be accessing my personal user data. You will be accessing the public and private repository, and you will be updating GitHub action workflow file. Okay. So here you will see that we need to allow this. Okay. There is no other way. So here you need to click over here like authorize VS Code. Okay, once you do that, after that automatically it will redirect again the complete screen will be kind of getting redirected to the VS Code, guys. Is it clear, everyone? Understood this process, guys? The only issue which I was having is like I was not able to log in GitHub directly. So what I did is I have resetted my password, guys. That's it. Okay, everybody are on same page. Anybody has any doubt, query, questions?
Because actually, what you have clicked, because like actually I have installed the GitHub Actions, so but I am unable to navigate to the VS Code. The interlink was not happened for me yesterday when I was downloaded that.
What you have downloaded?
GitHub. 1 second, I'll tell you.
You don't need to download this actually, okay? This I will tell later on. Uh, GitHub for Windows. Don't download this actually so far, okay? So this particular application we are not supposed to download, okay? I have downloaded this one, that is gitscm.com. Okay, I have not done this process so far. We will do this later on. Okay, so don't get confused. This is the desktop application of GitHub only. But right now we are not talking about actually having a desktop app. Okay, right now what we are doing is we are kind of setting Git in my VS Code. Okay, so that is done, guys. So that is done. Anybody facing any challenge? Feel free to unmute and speak up. Yes?
Because can I share my screen, because
Yeah,
so
go
that
ahead,
maybe
please. Go ahead,
yeah.
go ahead. Those who are facing challenge right now, please highlight it because this is one-time activity and every day you don't need to log in GitHub every day actually. Okay, now the VS Code will never ask me again to kind of download or let's say configure again. Okay.
Are you able to see my screen, because
Yeah, VS Code we are able to see.
So actually, right now I'm not able to see like that login
I
page
think
where
you
you
have
have.
shared only VS Code. Can you share your entire screen? Okay.
Now,
Yes, now we are able to see. Okay, what issue you are facing?
actually, I have installed this one. I mean, I went to here and I have I installed the GitHub Actions.
That is
But
fine.
I didn't get. I mean, how to navigate to that login page like VS
You
Code.
will not get because you might be already logged in. That's the reason. Okay.
Oh,
It's
okay,
not
okay.
mandatory that you will get because you might be already logged in into GitHub, right?
Haha.
That's the reason you are not getting that screen where you need to let's say log in into GitHub Git again.
Okay, okay. So I mean this actually. So maybe I have logged in already here. That's the reason it's not asking me again.
That's correct.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Vikas. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, no worries. Anybody facing any challenge?
Vikas, what
Go
happened
ahead,
when I
please.
click like installation repository? Like when install repository.
That is important. Okay, that we are going to discuss now.
Unfortunately, I clicked on
Unfortunately,
it.
I also clicked actually.
Okay,
So no worries. I'll explain you what exactly we are trying to do over here. Okay.
okay, Vikas. Okay.
So first of all, guys, uh, you don't need to click actually. I have clicked it, so that is my mistake. Okay. Uh, Basically, what we are trying to do over here is we are trying to migrate our complete project, okay, into one centralized system. Okay, that particular logic is called as actually Git repository. Okay, so what I am doing over here, guys, I am kind of creating one more file. Okay, so that everybody can try to relate that actually. So the file name is readme.md, guys. Okay, this is the file name. Okay. Now what we are doing, guys,
Uh, Because if you
we
don't
are
mind, can we ask Shailashri to mute because she don't know that it is unmuted like there. Like,
I'm sorry, come again.
can you ask Shailashri to mute because they are having some conversation? Because
One second, let me mute her. Shailashri, can you be on mute, please? Shailashri, if you're listening, I cannot mute even though I'm a co-host. Uh, I think there is no much background noise, right? It is fine, correct?
Yeah,
now
it's
it's
fine now.
fine now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So what we are discussing, guys, we have created the project. Okay. We have created a what, guys? We have created a Playwright project. Okay. Now this Playwright project will be accessed by 3 to 4 QA persons. Okay. This will be accessed by how many like QA this thing engineer 3 to 4 QA persons, right? So in real time, this discussion is about the real time activity, guys. What happens in real time organization? Okay, so obviously there are let's say QA QAB, QAC, QAD. Okay. So obviously everyone will not kind of create this project and kind of upload it over the Git. Try to understand this process. Okay. QA1, QAA is let's say he is having good skill set. He is having the advanced knowledge on automation. So he is kind of taking the initiative and creating a project. Okay, who is QAA? QAA is someone who is let's say having a good knowledge on the complete activity, and he has created a project. Okay, and the project name is Playwright Automation. Okay, Now, what happens is QA, B, C, D are kind of, they are just, let's say, going through the some trainings. They are kind of going through some manual testing stuff. They are not into automation so far. Okay. After a week, after a week, once, after a week, QA is ready with the framework. Okay. So guys, framework means not end-to-end framework, just single or two or three test case. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay. So QA is ready with the framework. Okay. Now what happens is out of these three guys, that is BCD, that is QAB, QAC, and QAD, they are obviously they also are keen to learn automation, or they are out of these two are let's say having good automation skill set. QAD is not having, but what happens is everybody will work on the same project. So as a QA engineer, that is let's say lead engineer, I will push my all local changes on SCM. Okay. SCM, we call it as source control management. Okay. So the tool name is Git. Okay. Obviously the tool name as in like we will do this operation with the help of Git. Okay. So now, right now, what we are doing is when I clicked on initialize repository, okay, what happened? Like there were two buttons over here. Okay. One was initialize repository and there was one more button actually. Okay. Publish to GitHub or something. So what exactly it will do, guys? It will take all your local changes. Okay. All your local changes. Okay. So wherever U is written, it means untracked. U means untracked. Okay, that we will see later on. U means untracked. So whatever local changes are there on my machine, okay, it is purely for my machine. Okay, it will be kind of getting directly committed. Where, guys? It will be committed to one of the location. I will share that location, don't worry. Okay, it is kind of created by default by VS Code, because we have already, actually what we did is we have already downloaded the extension, guys, which was related with the GitHub action. Okay, so due to this, what happened is it has taken this, and if you notice at the bottom, it is still like in a process, guys. Till now the process is not completed. So those who have clicked on publish GitHub repository, fine, not a problem. You can click on that. After that, you will see commit. Okay. And commit will have four more options such as commit, amend, commit and push, commit and sync. Okay. So now it's your call whether you want to do commit and push, whether you want to do commit and sync, whether you want to do commit. Now you need to understand the difference between all this, right? So right now, don't do anything, just do commit. Don't select any other option. We will do just commit. Okay. So when I'm clicking on commit, okay, it is asking that, hey, there are two save unsaved file. Would you like to save them before committing? Save all and commit changes. So what is happening in the background, guys? In the background, a commit initialization has happened. Okay. So now we got an error saying that, hey, why you have not configured your username and your user email? So everyone should get the same error, guys. Okay. So now my mistake over here is I need to configure what? Username and user email, guys. Okay. Now what you need to do is you can just do one quick thing. You can restart your VS Code once. Okay. Let me cancel this. Why I am, see, restart is not required actually. I am doing restart because yesterday only I think I have downloaded this thing Git, guys. Okay, that's the reason, nothing else. For you, it is not required. Visual Studio Code, and I will click on open. Okay, so everybody should get that error that you have not configured what, guys? You have not configured username and email. Okay, so I have opened VS Code again. Let it get open. Meanwhile, we need to start the discussion on some of the basic command of Git, guys. Okay, so I will share that list with you. Okay, very straightforward, not that you don't need to by heart actually. Okay, Atlassian Git command. This is the list, guys. Okay, this is the standard list actually. This is something which has been created by the person who is working obviously in Atlassian. Okay, Atlassian is an organization who is handling Jira and Confluence and other tools as well. But for now, you can understand that Jira and Confluence. Okay, let me see why my VS Code didn't got open. So I have restarted my VS Code, guys. Okay. Now what I need to do over here is I need to go to terminal area, click on new terminal. Okay. Now you must be wondering from where should I get my username and from where should I get the this thing, user email and user this thing, password, right? Again, it is doing authentication. That is fine. Ideally, it should not do again. Uh, just make sure that for you it is not doing it. Okay. So the Git authentication is successful. Now, let me first explain you this two command. Okay. So everybody are on same page. If I'm going fast, please stop me. Everybody understood till this point? Any confusion, any doubt?
Because I'm little back.
Yeah, Shruti, go ahead, please.
I have installed all these things. After that, I'm not much aware of these things. Can you help me?
Yeah.
I have logged in with it. Yeah.
Before I get started, Shruti, I would request you to share your screen so that everybody are on same page. Can you share your screen for quick
Yes.
2 minutes? So guys, whether you are using Windows, whether you are using Mac, okay, in both cases you need to run this two basic command of Git. Okay, you need to make system aware that who are you. Okay.
Is my
Okay,
screen
perfect.
better?
Yeah, that is perfect. You can close the extension GitHub Action from the right side. You can close everything. No, no worries. Can you click on that Git icon? Third icon.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, one second. So guys, those who have not clicked anything, okay, you guys can directly click on publish to GitHub actually. But over there, the issue will be again same thing. You need to kind of make your system aware that who are you. Okay. So that will be done with the help of one command, which I am showing you right now. Till this point, everyone have reached, guys. Anybody have any confusion till this point?
Vikas, here I clicked an option initialize repository, Vikas.
Fine. You might have got that issue if you have not configured Git previously. If you have configured Git previously in your local machine, then you might have not got that issue.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll discuss about the two command first. After running those two command, only you need to play around with the Git logic, guys.
Okay. So shall I click on this publish to GitHub?
Don't click right now. We will run two command in the terminal area. Okay, first of all, guys, in terminal, can you write git minus v, git space minus v?
Yeah, okay. Shall I click enter?
Yeah, hit enter. Okay, perfect. Make sure guys, Git is configured, Git is registered, Git is installed successfully. Okay. If it is not installed, you will face again challenge.
Because
Lavanya, go ahead.
I click the comment, it's showing there are no staged changes to commit and show it was showing on my screen. Can I click yes? It's showing the options yes, always, never, and cancel. It's showing the options
But
on my
did you,
screen.
but on your machine, was Git configured in the past?
Uh,
Any idea?
I'm not sure because I don't
Okay, no
remember.
worries. We'll check that.
Okay.
After we run this two command, I'll ask you to share your screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Anybody else? Shruti, you were saying something?
No, Vikas.
Okay,
I
sorry.
I was
It's your
trying to
screen
say
sharing. Sorry,
something
sorry.
because actually, so
Yes, Sunitha.
for me it is getting your committees. I mean, I'm not getting the username and all. Rather, I'm getting like your committee is empty kind. I was getting because
Yeah, yeah. See, guys, irrespective whether you are getting the message or you're not getting the message, but those two command, it is mandatory for everyone who is, let's say, configuring Git for the first time. They need to run that. Okay. Otherwise, your machine, your like whatever system you are using, it is not able to identify like who are you. Okay. So we need to kind of give the identification to Git that I am, my username is this, my password is this. And from today onwards, whatever changes I will do, you need to push. Okay. That we will discuss. You can stop your screen share, Shruti.
Thank you, Vikas.
Okay, first let me run this two command, and after that also, if you guys got any doubt, let me know. Okay, so I'm copying this command, guys. Okay, simple, and I'm going to VS Code. Okay, in readme.md file, I will paste it over here. Okay, now you guys are asking that what is username and what is user email, right? That's what you guys are asking right now to me. So what I will do over here is very simple. Okay. You have already logged in github.com. Okay. Let me see if you are able to see my login or not. You guys are able to see this login, right? So you are already able to see the home page of github.com. So here, this is my username, guys. Okay. What is username, guys? This is SITA.dev -QA. SITA.dev -QA is what, guys? My username. So the command will look like the command will look like you just need to update this to this value. Okay. And now what is email address? Okay. Now for email address, you can go to setting area. Okay. You will see your email address somewhere at the bottom. If not, you can click on account. Ah. You guys will be aware about your email address, right? So you just need to update that email address. So email address is very simple for me, it is Vikas at the rate Stockholm IT Academy.org. Okay. So first what I will do, I will trigger this command. Okay. So first of all, let me write git -v. For me also it is showing correct. Okay, perfect. Clear everything. So first is this command. Okay. Don't run both the command at one go. Okay. You need to run one by one. So this is the command which we are running. So we have informed the VS Code that my username is SITA.dev -QA. Now in future, whatever change I will suggest you, please use this username and this email address which I am sharing. Okay. So whom I'm saying, guys, I'm saying to Git. Next. Git, this is my email address. Every time, whenever I will push the changes, it will be with this email address. Okay, simple, perfect. So we are done, guys. Now I'll go to this icon again, and now I'll say commit. Okay, save all and commit changes. Now I should not get that error message which I got previously. So you guys can see I got a blue button saying commit. So I'm saying commit. Okay. So now if you notice, it will take some time, guys. Okay. Okay. So you guys can see that commit operation was cancelled due to empty commit message. Now let us run this again. Commit. Here you guys can see that we have this commit logic. Okay. Here what exactly we are doing is we are initializing the commit. Okay. So you need to update the commit message, guys. Okay. Um, to hash with, please enter the commit message for your line starting hash. Hash with hash will be ignored, an empty message about the commit. Okay. Framework committed.
Vikas, uh, hello, can you hear me?
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I can see like source control on the left panel. There is a message field like below the commit button.
Just a second. Let me see this. I
Yeah.
think it got done. My commit message is new framework. Okay.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Now the problem over here is, guys, that's the reason, guys, you guys should not click on initialize repository. Okay. Because in initialize repository, you need to perform this uh, two, three more steps actually. Okay. Now, one more thing I need to do, one last thing, publish branch. Okay. Click on allow. Click on SITA.dev QA. This process will take at least minimum 3 to 4 minutes, guys. Okay. So please understand this. This is only one time activity. It is in process. Just a second. Let me see. Okay, so guys, you can see that I got an option that publish to GitHub private repository, or you want to have it as public repository. Right now, I am kind of accessing as public repository. Later on, I will change this to private by updating your email address. Okay, later on, not right now. So what exactly it is doing, guys? The changes which I do have locally in my system, everything is going to uh, everything is going to the GitHub official website, which I just showed you. And here you just need to say authorize Git ecosystem. Okay, authentication successful. Now you go to your application. So it is done. Okay. Now, if you want to see the Playwright project on GitHub, click on open GitHub. You will be able to see all the folders, whatever we had so far. Like JavaScript basic, two files, add to number, tc02, right? So this Playwright automation has been updated to what, guys? Updated to GitHub repository. So if I want to share anything now, I'll share this URL. You will be able to see the content. Okay. Now, whatever I was explaining you, right? This detail also got updated over here. Yes. Any questions? Any doubt?
For me, it's keep on loading because it's not getting the publish button.
Yeah. Someone can share your screen. Those who are
Yeah.
facing issue.
Yeah, I'll
Because
share.
this is important. This is one-time activity. You don't need to do frequently. Okay. I would request everyone should be on same page. Everyone should, let's say, share your screen one by one if you guys are facing any challenge. Okay. So you should not click what, guys? I think you clicked. You should not click initialize repository. Okay. Those who have clicked, that is fine. At the bottom, you can see the message not committed yet. Okay. Perfect. You can see at the bottom, not committed yet. At the
Yeah,
bottom, not committed yet. Below, below,
I'm not.
below, below. Yes,
Yeah.
below to that. Not committed yet. Okay.
Yeah, but here it's keep
One
on
second,
loading.
one second, one second. Yeah, this keeps on loading sometimes. Okay. This is the not committed yet. So you can see over here, it is not committed yet. Okay, at the bottom.
I'm unable to
This
see
one.
that.
You can see, right?
I'm not able to see that message right now because.
I have highlighted via color, not committed yet.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me explain you why this is happening. So first of all, okay, you can close VS Code and open VS Code again, please. Yeah. What is the project name you have given to your this one? Is it
Playwright
Playwright
project.
Automation only, right? Playwright project only.
Yeah.
Why you have given? Is it hyphen or dot?
Hyphen, because.
So I have requested you guys to not to use hyphen or blank space or anything in your project name actually. What you can do is, yeah, don't do commit.
Okay.
First, can you do right click on example.spec.js, please?
Yeah.
Reveal in Explorer, reveal in File Explorer, and project name, can you make it as Playwright project? Hyphen, please remove it. Go to Sunith, one more step back. Yeah. Right click, Playwright project, P capital or whatever you can do. So sometime what happens is this hyphen will create an issue, not right now, later on. Okay.
Okay.
Enter.
Is it fine because?
Yeah, hit enter, hit enter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Close VS Code and click on try again. Okay, now open VS Code. So please, everyone, make sure you follow the same practice. Okay. Yeah. Click on file, open file at the top. Yeah, open folder is also fine. And select Playwright Automation from, I think C drive or D drive, wherever it was. Okay. Yes, I trust the author. Go to terminal, new terminal. Okay. Now show me your git ignore file, please. Show me your git ignore file.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, go to the third icon of git. Yes. Okay. Here, can you click on that arrow? No. Go to that.
Yeah.
The arrow just beside commit is there, right? Can you click on that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Just say commit and push. And at the top, write demo. Just write demo. No. At the top, first line,
Okay.
demo. Okay. Any message actually. And at the blue color button, can you click commit? Save. The repository pushed. Your repository has no remote configured to push to. Click on add remote. Add remote from GitHub. Yeah, select that. Allow. Continue. Authorize VS Code.
It is asking verify via email.
Do it once. Verify via email.
Yeah.
You need to enter OTP, I believe.
Yes.
Now click open here. Yeah, select. No. 1 second. Select above one. Test. Yeah, select that. Press enter. Just write playwright.
Here
In
ignore.
remote name. No. In remote name, write playwright. Enter. Sign in with your browser. This time it will not ask you this thing. Okay. Just click authorize Git ecosystem. Yeah, now go to VS Code again. The problem over here is, guys, you should have not clicked on click yes. No. Don't ask me later. Ask me later. Go to your Git, please. No, Git
No, yeah.
URL browser. Open Git in new page on new tab, please.
Okay.
Yeah, the below one is the answer actually. Test, yeah. Click on that. Okay.
Yeah. It's been, this one is long back one. And this one I created now.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to VS Code again, please. Go to first project icon.
Yeah.
Just write down Git status, please, at the top, at the in the Playwright project, at the this area, in the terminal area. Git status. Did you selected any specific file by any chance?
This one I have selected because I have created this folder and I have selected this one while doing the commit.
Okay. The problem over here is Actually, that content only it got updated to Git. Can you do one quick thing?
Mm.
Just write few command actually. Just mention git add
Yeah.
space
Yeah.
dot enter git commit space -m space double quotes. Inside double quote, write down first commit. Enter. It is not taking the file actually. Just write git push.
Vikas, in the file name readme extension .md is not there. Is it okay?
Sorry, come again, please.
In this file readme, spelling mistake also, and extension .md is not there. Is it okay or?
No, this is actually we are uploading the whole project. So this file is not to have this happen automatically from branching without. Can you copy this command, please? Git push -- set -- playwright main. No. Here in the third last line. Yes. Below that. Yeah, copy this and paste it over here. Enter.
Vikas, can you explain meanwhile why we are getting?
I'm not sure. Can you do git pull, please? Git pull. Something is not correct actually. I'm not sure what
The
is
name
that.
because the playwright name she has written WIRITE.
No, actually, Playwright is the branch name. What we have done.
Vikas, is it because it is directly pushing the code without knowing the proper branch? Like branch is not created, but it is.
Branch actually it is not required. If we are doing for the first time, everything
Uh-huh.
will be done on the main branch. Okay.
Oh, okay.
It is not required actually. So the problem over here is the
Okay.
complete project should be kind of getting pushed. But for you, if you open your GitHub repository, you will see that I think some one file got updated. I think .git attribute and test.txt. I'm not sure whether this is belonging to README folder or how is it.
It's
Okay.
this is a kind of, I mean, I was having some test last week, so I was practice. This was not
Yes.
now. Yeah.
No, the test folder, like the test name we have given today only. This you can see, right? uh, this we have selected while pushing the changes. Okay. Now do one thing. Go to your repository again.
Okay.
If you wish to,
Can I?
yeah, click on repositories, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, this is not the one. Okay. Go to VS Code, please. Click on that icon, Git icon on the left side. Okay, just 1 second. click on publish branch. Okay, now it will be close this. Do git pull. I think for git pull you are getting some error, right?
Yeah, last time.
If you wish to set there is no tracking information for the, please specify which branch you want to merge with. Say git pull for more details. Git pull. Okay, we will resolve your issue later on.
Yeah.
Okay. Others should not face this, guys. Okay. Anybody else facing any major challenge like this?
Because I will share my screen. Can you guide me?
But
I just started from here. I need to take initial
no, don't
repository.
click this. Don't click this. Okay. You guys can directly click on publish to GitHub actually.
Can I do
But
this one?
before that, did you share? Did you set your user.email also? I can
No.
see you have ran only one command.
Okay.
How come your command is looking like this? PLAGIT. Can you press upward arrow, please?
Oh.
Yeah, hit enter. Yeah, this is fine. Now there was one more command.
Yeah.
Should I share that?
Yeah, you can tell me. I can.
Git config hyphen global.
Git config.
Git config
Hyphen.
hyphen global.
Okay.
Config spelling is wrong.
Sorry. Okay.
Git config hyphen global. User.email
User.email
space
space.
whatever is your email address in Git. No, not in double quotes. Straight away.
Okay. GitHub, right?
Yeah. Just but make sure it is for 777 only. Like the username which you have done, right?
Yeah.
The same username should be present in that GitHub this thing. Copy that email address only. Yeah, go on the right side, click on profile icon. Is it Kishore's? Yeah, yellow
Here.
color, light yellow color on right side, extreme right. Kishore 22377. Yeah, perfect. Yeah,
Okay.
that is fine.
Okay. Now I should enter my email.
Yeah, please enter your email address. Guys, the problem over here is once you set this email address, right? Now in future, whatever activity will you will do, and if you want to push your changes, it will be via this email address only. Okay. You can change, but for changing again, you need to delete this to value and you need to reset new value for Git. Okay. Now hit enter. Okay. Now write, now click on publish to GitHub. So you guys
And
should click on publish to GitHub, okay? Don't click on initialize repository, okay?
but
Click on allow.
extension was
Yeah, click allow. Now click continue. It's a very simple process. When you click on this thing, second button, okay? If you click on first button, it's little bit tricky. Second will directly create a URL for you in GitHub. You should get one, yeah. Make it private. which will be specific to you. Okay, if you want, you can make it public. Okay, so you can hit enter from your keyboard by selecting one of the options from the top area. From top area,
Period.
search area is there, right? Here, what you need to make your repository, private or public?
Oh my God. Hold on.
No, where are you going? Go to VS Code.
Yeah.
It was already there.
Okay.
The operation got disturbed actually.
Sorry.
Did you close that?
Yeah, I mean, suddenly something I can see here. I
Okay.
want to close this
Click on
one.
third icon on the
Third
left
icon.
side. Yeah. Yeah. Click on publish to GitHub again, please. Yeah, my question is, you want to make it private or public? Click on that actually. From your
Here.
mouse or from, yeah. Click it.
Private.
Yeah, click it.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, so everything will be done. It will publish the branch. It will create the URL. Everything will be done. Click on open on GitHub. Okay. So now you will see all your changes over here as well. Okay.
Okay. I can see my old one also, right?
Yeah. Oh, see, this is the new Playwright Automation is the new repository name. Other repository will not, repository will not get impacted. Okay.
Okay.
This
Thank you.
is the
That's
new
it.
repository link. Clear, everyone?
Uh, Vikas, can you also guide me because I'm stuck with
Sure.
something? Yeah.
Sure. Go ahead, please. Share
Thank
your
you.
screen. Yeah. Others also, please make sure that this is done, guys, because this is only one-time activity. Okay,
Can you
at the
see my
top
screen?
on the very first line, can you
Yeah.
write first commit?
First commit.
Yeah, first commit. Anything is fine, like just for reference purpose.
Okay.
And click on blue color commit button. Click on save. You should not click on initialize repository, guys. You can directly click on publish to GitHub. Publish to GitHub is very straightforward option. And this type of feature is available in all the editor. Okay, don't think that it is only let's say applicable for VS Code. It is applicable for almost all the editors such as PyCharm, Cursor, anything, guys. Okay. Why this is taking this much time?
Not sure.
VS Code you have done like authorize Git ecosystem and everything, no?
Yes, I think I've done everything.
No, go to VS Code.
Yeah.
Can you can you write git status please at the in the area? Yeah. Where it got committed? Can you go to your browser and check whether anything got created? I don't
Here?
think it got created. Yeah, go to home page of this. Yeah. Did you created this like or it got created automatically?
No, I did not create anything.
Go to VS Code, please, again. Close VS Code and open VS Code again, please.
Okay.
Oh, this should not happen. Yeah, close it, open it again. I believe 20 minutes ago you might have done something. I'm not sure why it is showing empty. Yeah, now click on the repository link. Yeah, click here. Scanning folder for Git repository. Okay. Perfect. Click on publish branch. Now you should get an option making it private or public. Yeah, click on that. Yeah. Make it private with you only. Yeah. Make it. Click on that repository. I already exist. Yeah. Make it one. Just after automation, write one. Yeah, click on that. Now you should get one pop-up. Sign in with your browser. Authorize Git ecosystem. Yeah. But the problem for you is instead of Playwright Automation, the repository name will be Playwright Automation 1. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to VS Code. Click on open on GitHub. That is fine. You can open now on browser. You will see that one more repository got created, okay, along with Playwright Automation. And that repository name will be one. And over here, you will be able to see all your
Okay.
logic. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vikas.
Vikas, shall I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, please. You can stop share.
Yeah, I'll stop share.
Is it Kishore or Dinesh?
Dinesh.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you see my screen?
Okay. You guys have clicked on that initialize repository only, I believe. No worries.
Yes.
On the right side, commit is there, right? Click on commit. There are no stage to commit. Would you like to stage for? Click yes. At the top, write down first commit. First commit. You write down manually.
It's not typing.
Press insert. Yeah, first commit. Yeah. Click on commit purple color. Yeah. Publish branch. Make it private. Click allow. Yes. Publish branch. Can you click again, please? Now make it private, which will be with you only. Yeah, click here. It will show one pop-up. Yeah, it is done. Click on open on GitHub, purple button. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Vikas.
Because this terminology commit, this all use only in the GitHub, Git only.
Don't worry. Actually, this I am doing for first time. We will do a detailed discussion on that. Actually, commit, push, pull, all this. We need to discuss. Okay.
Yes.
For now, we are making sure that for all of your, like all your project is let's say published to the Git repository. Yeah,
Okay.
Vikas, can I share my screen?
go ahead, please.
Is this visible now? Actually, after and executing this command, I have clicked on publish to GitHub. After that, I have selected private GitHub. Then is it everything perfect? Because I haven't give any commit message or anything here.
Show me your project first of all. Write down Git status.
Git status.
Status. STATUS. Enter. Your changes are done, I believe.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Yes, everything is
So
there.
everything is perfect, right? Yeah. Okay. I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
want to. Yeah.
Your changes are done. Okay. Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
need to worry. Yeah.
Because I have something here. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, Aparna.
Thank you. So I have done this, but I could see this thing even on my Git profile as well. So I'm not sure what exactly it is about.
Sorry, come again. I was not listening.
I
What happened?
have I have followed all the steps as you suggested. I've got
Hmm.
this, but I'm not sure what this is about. Add playwright configuration and initial test setup. Even on my Git also I could see this. So
Hmm.
I'm not sure what it is about.
This is the content which got generated via ChatGPT. Don't worry. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So this is some high level instruction. Okay. What you have done basically. So
Hmm.
it is generated automatically. You don't need to worry.
Okay, so otherwise it's all good, right?
It's done. Now I will ask you guys to do one activity, whether you are having the same issue, like whether you are following the same thing, then everything is fine. Okay. So I'll request everyone to follow the same as of now. So be on this page only as of now. I mean,
Mm.
project page. Don't do any changes so far. Okay.
Yeah.
You are correct. Like for you, setup is done. Okay. You can move to project folder.
Okay. Thank you,
Hmm.
Vikas.
Perfect. Yes. Uh, Vinila, Kavya, Lakshmi, Balakrishna, Savita, Swati, everyone are done.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, thanks,
Yes,
Savita.
because can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, please, Savita. Sorry, Swati.
No, Swati.
Yeah, Swati, go ahead.
Are you able to see?
Yes. So you
Yeah.
have executed those commands, git config.
No,
Okay.
not it. Actually, I'm seeing like this. Add
Okay. No,
initialize.
no, no, no. Don't click on this. Okay.
Okay.
Just write git hyphen v first of all. Git is installed. Git space hyphen v. Yeah, publish to GitHub. Click on that. Below
Sorry,
button.
wait.
Publish to
Here.
GitHub. Yeah. Yeah. Click on that.
Hello.
Click allow.
Okay.
This is
This one.
correct one, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Click on that. Now you might need to provide the credential. Okay. Just a second. Why nothing got up here? Can you click again on publish to GitHub? Yeah. Make it private. Private. Above one. Yeah. Yeah, at the bottom you guys can see publishing to GitHub, uploading file at the bottom on the right side. Okay, all the
Yes.
actions which is happening. Okay, this process should take, yeah, sign in with your browser. You should know your username and password. Yeah, click authorize Git ecosystem. Verify via email. 7 or 8 digit OTP will come on your Gmail address.
Okay.
How about others? Others are done. Balakrishna, Sudeshna.
Yes, Vikas.
Here
Yeah, perfect. Now go to VS Code. Yes, open on GitHub. Open on GitHub button is there on the right side, blue color. It went away. Now go to GitHub and just check whether repository got created or not.
in the application, GitHub application.
No, you have installed this also. You can minimize this. This we will discuss later on.
Okay.
Go to browser level GitHub actually.
Sorry.
Why anything is not visible over here?
I don't know.
See, na? There is one more URL. Click on that Playwright
It's in
below one.
repository. Yeah, below.
This one,
Yeah,
creator.
you should see all your content in that repository. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Can I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, please. Uh, I would like to share my screen again. I'm giving quick heads up, guys. We have not discussed anything about the Git so far. I want you guys to kind of just understand that how we can push our changes and have it into our repository. Okay. So where I was explaining you that, hey, like QA, QAB, QAC, QAD are working on a project, right? It is not that everyone will create their own this thing, right? Project. So now QA1 is ready with the framework. So he has pushed that changes. Okay. Now everybody, let's say QAB and QAC and QAD will clone that repository and will start working on that same project. Okay. So at a broader level, everybody are working on the same project. Okay. Later on, we will discuss about how the code is getting merged, how we are approving the merge request, whether we are rejecting the pull request, approving the pull request. That discussion we will do later on. Okay. So everyone, I would request you to make sure that your content is kind of uploaded to the Git. Okay. Now over here, I know that nothing has been created, right? Now I'm creating one const variable. Const hello is equal to I am hello. Okay, so you know that what I did, guys, I have changed, or let's say I have just created one simple line over here. Okay, now if you notice carefully, once the code is updated or pushed to the repository, you guys should see that this is highlighted again in brown color. So you guys should see that this is M means modified. Okay, now this change is local to your system. This change is local to your system. This has not been updated to what Git repository so far. Okay, so when you open Git repository and try to see the second file, that is JavaScript basic, and try to see this content is not available. Which content? The line which I have written just now. Okay. So whenever you do any modification at a local level, guys, you will be notified that this file you have modified, guys. Okay. And here you will see the messaging also, like change line. If you hover your mouse, you will see change line. Now it's our logic to kind of what code you have executed, and after that you need to push this change to repository. So for that we will follow certain instruction. The first command is git status. Git status will help you to understand what file you have changed. Okay, so you can see here that no change because I might have not pressed Ctrl S, guys. So now press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Now you guys can see that it is already saying that modified this file. Okay, so now let me clear this and run again git status. So you guys can see that modified JavaScript basic. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to kind of move this change from here to your repository logic. So what you need to do is very simple. The instructions are given here also, guys. No need to worry. You just need to say first of all git add and then the complete file. So you can copy this file path. But if you don't want to, you know that I am the only one who is working on this project. You can press full stop also. Okay. So full stop is something which will make all the changes in the added status. Okay. It is kind of moving from local to staging area actually. Okay. After that, the logic is git commit -m, and this is my second commit. So you need to write in this fashion only. Okay. You cannot say I will write something else. No, that is not allowed. The logics, the syntax is in this fashion only. Git add dot, which will add your changes from local to, let's say, staging area. After that, from staging to the repository link. And the last command is git push. Okay. Actually, the command is git push origin main. Okay, but we don't have multiple branch right now. Okay, so we are writing only three command, that is git push origin main. So now if you refresh this page, you will see that hello text what was there, right? It will be kind of getting reflected over here. Okay, so guys, don't worry if you have not understood this command. This command I'm going to discuss later on also. Okay, this we are going to this we are going to run on daily basis. So don't worry on this part. Okay, tomorrow we will again discuss little bit on the variable side. Okay, I know like function scope, block scope, little bit confusion. So we will again discuss some, let's say, overview on that part. And then we'll jump on to some advanced topic of JavaScript, guys. Okay, any questions, any doubt? I'll just share this URL with everyone. Where is that? Just a second. You guys can refer it. No need to by heart. Nothing you need to by heart, guys. Just you can refer this. Okay. No need of, let's say, going through this in very this thing detailed fashion. You can click on this URL, put it in Notepad or somewhere, or put it in README file, guys. It's your call. Perfect. Clear, everyone?
Because what is the second command you had given right after git status, because
The first command was git add,
yeah,
full stop.
okay,
Second command was git commit -m. -m stand for message, guys. Okay. And you need to write message in double quotes only.
okay,
And third command is git push origin main.
okay.
I have added in the chat window.
Thank you,
Those who
Vikas.
have not understood the sequencing of this particular this thing, guys, don't worry. We will be kind of triggering this command on daily basis.
Vikas, can you also type the second file name, test case number 2, on the chat?
Second test case file name.
Yes.
You guys can now refer the repository itself directly. So you guys can click on my repository link actually. Can you guys click on the hyperlink in Zoom chat, please? You will see my folder structure and everything will be over there. Can someone share your screen for real quick for 2 minutes, please? I
Sharing
just
Vikas.
want to show you that if I have kept my repository as public, okay, you guys will be able to see the content which I will be practicing on daily basis. Okay. In Zoom chat, there is one link. Can you click on that, please? No need of sign in that process. Sign in is not required.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
public only,
It
Vikas.
is public. That's the reason. That's what I'm saying. It's a public. Okay. So you guys can see second commit. Okay. So click on JavaScript basic. And in that you will see second file tc02 demo for ledware.js. Right now, obviously it is empty. But guys, please remember whatever commit you will do, right? It should have the commit message. Otherwise, it will not allow you to kind of push the changes from local to your repository link, guys. Clear, everyone understood?
The
Perfect. So
second
guys,
one,
go ahead.
because the second one is for second commit we are doing this process add git add pull stop.
Yes, Git add and all those things. See, there are multiple ways which we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay. I have showed you via via command. Okay. Okay. You don't need to remember the command also. We will discuss some other shortcuts as well, which will allow you to change the data from local to repository URL straight away. Okay, perfect. So tomorrow I will give obviously like a quick assignment, guys. Okay, that assignment will be around the same activity which we have did today, like some basics on Git command, obviously. And now you need to link things, guys. Okay, like what is purpose of VS Code, what is purpose of Playwright installation, what is purpose of Git installation. So you need to link all this, guys. Okay, then only you will be able to explain your respective framework. Okay, now you should know what is VS Code doing, what is Playwright doing, and now what is Git is doing, right? Git, what is the purpose of Git? Okay, which we will discuss more in detail tomorrow. Okay, so you should be in a comfortable, like now you should be able to explain the framework at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, that explanation I will share tomorrow, how you need to explain your framework. Perfect. I think we are good.
Vikas, last question. So sorry for
Go ahead.
interrupting you. Uh,
No worry.
Yeah, actually, right now we already completed with the GitHub. I mean, sorry, the framework structure for JavaScript. There is no any other things needs to be added for a framework structure.
No, it will come later.
Okay,
Utility file and everything will come. Okay.
okay, but it's a basic structure what we
Yeah,
completed.
basic structure you can consider this one. There
Okay.
will be like depending on the type of framework like page object, utility, Excel reader, log file, all those will be like folder or file which will be added into your current folder structure.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yes, it will be modified later on,
Yeah.
but the basic will remain same. Perfect. I think we are good. Uh, Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow at same time, guys.
Thank you so much, Vikas. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.